With No Code Studio, you can use Ed, an agent powered by Nextworld Intelligence, to quickly build powerful applications using AI. From the Welcome page in No Code Studio, select Create New Application under the Application Quick Start. Next, select Ed. Tell us what to build. Tell Ed what kind of application to create. If you want to create an application, we suggest starting with Create an Application. If you want to create a header detail application, your prompt must specify Header Detail Application. The guidance in the prompt can be open-ended, such as create a to-do list application, or very specific. As with other AI-powered tools, the more specific the prompt, the better the results. For demonstration, let's ask Ed to create an application to manage recruitment for a manufacturing company. As shown, our prompt is very specific in regards to the fields and their descriptions. Nextworld's AI-powered agents work quickly to create the application as directed by your prompt. Once Ed completes the application, Application Studio appears on the left side of the screen. There you can view the application name, data source, and a list of suggested fields, including their field types, labels, descriptions, and any relevant list lookups. Continuing to Application Builder, the detail form shows the fields organized into pages, rows, and columns. In the Application Builder view, the application fields that will display as list lookups can be identified by the drop-down option, and a true-false field displays as a checkbox. Saving the application will create and save the associated table and data items. You can continue to edit and update the application as needed. Note that Ed can help with modifications as well. Let's prompt Ed to create additional fields for the application: Hiring Manager, Recruiter, and Department. The fields are created by Ed's network of agents and are ready to be added to the application from the existing Fields panel. When ready to see the application in action, save any changes and then generate the application. Once generated, launch the app to add a record. The application opens in List View. Click Create to add a new record. Populate the fields with data and be sure to save the record. Save and exit will bring you back to the list view to see existing records. Use Nextworld Help to learn more about this topic by searching for No Code Studio.